For those of you who don't know, back in December of 2021, I quit my IT job to do YouTube full time. Since then, there's primarily two different ways that I make money. Number one is through selling my online chess courses. Some of you have already purchased these, and I just want to take this moment to say thank you. I really do appreciate the support. The second way that I make money is through Google ad revenue. Every time someone watches one of my videos, YouTube usually will put an ad at the beginning, sometimes in the middle, and occasionally even at the end of the video. Every time that happens, I get a fraction of a penny. Now, in and of itself, that's not very much. However, when you multiply that by millions of views every month, it actually amounts to enough that I can support my family, usually in most months. Well, earlier this morning, I checked my email and noticed I had an email from Google saying that a payment account was canceled. This was the exact email that I was looking at. Now, I didn't panic immediately because I thought there's no way that this could be my YouTube AdSense account, right? So I decided to go ahead and verify my YouTube AdSense account and make sure that the number didn't match the one that was in this email that I was just reading. However, when I pulled it up, I was very surprised to see that it was indeed the exact same number. So at this point, I start to freak out a little bit. I go back and reread the email just to make sure that I didn't misunderstand something, but it seems very clear to me that my account was indeed canceled. So at this point, I'm trying to think, did I do something wrong? Did I have some copyright strikes that I forgot about or didn't notice? Did I violate one of YouTube's policies? Like, what is going on? And I couldn't think of anything. I legitimately don't know what happened. So at this point, I'm like, surely Google must have put a reason, right? If they're going to cancel an account, they have to give some kind of reason, right? So I decided to go and investigate. And here's where the story gets a little weird because I log into my account. I go to the details on my AdSense account and I see that my account is active. So I'm scratching my head going, okay, if my account is listed as active, why did they just send me the email saying that it was canceled? So I'm thinking maybe it was just canceled and it hasn't reflected in my account yet that it's been canceled. Maybe that's coming later. Still a little bit panicky. So I thought maybe it was a scam email. It was some type of hacker. It wasn't a legit email, but I verified that it did indeed come directly from Google. So I did the next sort of logical thing. I Googled to see if anyone else has had this problem. And here's what I found out. Google has actually been restructuring their AdSense accounts so that now there's a special one directly for YouTube and the other one actually was canceled. And so the way that they decided to communicate this to us was by sending an email saying that your AdSense account has been canceled. That's it. No more details, nothing else explaining why it was canceled or how it was switched to a new one, essentially. And so thank you, Google, for scaring the daylights out of me this morning.